how these brains can help us to be an impressive speaker. Today you will get your answers if you have not got till now. Yes, because I have invited our chairperson, our founder of IDQ Value Adder, Mr. K.K. Mandal. He's double national award winner. He has more than 50 years of experience. 50 years. He's going to tell you why neuroscience is so important. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, Subhash, and thank you all viewers. When I feel like talking about neuroscience, I get excited that I can share something which also will make you excited. Every small activity we do, can't do without the consent of brain.
Absolutely.
So neuroscience makes you to feel that what is communication and why can't we be an effective communicator. We want to be fluent in English, but we don't know the meaning of fluency. Neuroscience makes us to feel what is the meaning of fluency. The rate of idea generation, it should be same as the rate of sentence production. Now we have seen the people, they speak good English and all, but many a times they cannot generate ideas, feeling, thoughts, emotions. These are the inputs of brain. So once they join this very thing, they understand the function of brain. Then we talk, they have the input generation technique. They know the word management. They know the sentence management. They know what are the drawbacks like nervousness, shyness we have, and how easily the brain can remove all these things. They feel like that in a very easy way, IDQ Value Adder make them to understand what is a communication.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. But there are many people, they can speak English. They can speak very good English. But how neuroscience can help them to be a better communicator?
Subhash, this is a very vital question. People have taken it that speaking very fast, speaking continuously is all about communication. But sorry, speaking, the best speaker in this world can work under the maximum efficiency of 33%. But if we want to reach to the mind of the receiver and he creates a bang kind of a connection, that is only possible by communication, and that communication requires the entire body language. People speak from eyes, cheeks, and that is called non-verbal communication, which has the efficiency of 67%. So we should not misunderstand speaking and communication are same. We have to merge both, and your brain will do so. You have to merge your communication as a term of language and the non-verbal communication. And that is only possible when you understand the different function of left brain and right brain. Gold.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. So guys, there are many people. I'm talking about a lot of businessmen, CEOs, entrepreneurs, network marketers. They are doing some business, even the job people who are into sales profession. So many times they come to us and tell that, sir, we can speak English very good, but we are not able to convince people. Somewhere we really want that our thoughts should reach to their heart, should reach to their mind, but finally we fail to do so. I really want to tell everybody, learning neuroscience is a lifetime opportunity for everyone. So if you are interested right now, this is the right time. I have told you several times, our K.K. Mandal sir, I think he has the big experience into this. I think this is the time you should come into this 5 days workshop on neuroscience and communication and learn some basic tools, some brain tools by which you can also be an impressive communicator. So guys, if you are really interested, go to the link below, click on the link and just pay $299 and witness one of the finest training in the world. Thank you very much. Thank you, KK Mandal sir.
Thank you, Subhash, and thank you all viewers.